Tennant Company's T12 can help increase your productivity in a compact, maneuverable ride-on scrubber dryer. The T12 Ride-On Scrubber dryer increases productivity, provides health and safety benefits, and is simple to operate and maintain, all with a low cost of ownership. And because it's made by Tennant, it is reliable and durable. It's highly maneuverable, reaching more spaces with its smaller, compact footprint and tight turning radius. Reduce negative environmental impact and save money with exclusive chemical-free ECH2O technology. Clean floors from edge to edge with the available scrubbing side brush. Get more cleaning done with a 28% wider scrub path when using the scrubbing side brush. Heavy-duty compact performance, increased productivity, low cost of ownership, health and safety benefits, easy operation and maintenance. With all these benefits, Tennant's T12 can help improve your productivity as a compact, maneuverable ride-on scrubber dryer. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.